Today we're gonna ride with metro. Yes, I decided that I have to start using the public transport in these widespread cities. So I did bought a weekly metro ticket, and it was costing this much. So 70 euros and 10 cents. Well, not bad, but it's like weekly, so I bought it on Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday day, and it's not gonna work on Monday anymore, so I'm gonna leave on Monday, so that's pretty okay to me. Let's see how this thing goes. I think I'm on the right line. But I have no idea where I have to like jump off the metro, but luckily I have to like ride with this thing like basically forever or until Monday. So it doesn't matter if I would jump off on a wrong station or something like that. So this is something again that I'm doing, facing my fears, because I don't like these things. But let's see where I'm gonna head or end up. Okay, that was super easy. So I did get off a wrong metro station because it take me a time to figure it out how this thing works, but like Google Maps helps you a lot when you are planning those metro routes. You just do it like this, so it shows you which metro you should take first. So I did take this one, and which metro you should change, and I'm trying to change this U1 metro, but this is the wrong metro station, but I believe that I'm gonna get eventually where I'm gonna go from this station also. See, you never know where my adventures are heading. Hi. I have a reservation here. Yeah, it should be good. Thank you. Just arrived to my new hostel. This is a hotel type of hostel. And next we are gonna check out some metro. So that was my metro experience. If you come to cities like, for example, Berlin or Vienna or these widespread cities, you should definitely get the metro. It's very fun to like ride with it all around the town. You get to see a lot of more than by just walking or renting a bike, and it's even pretty cheap, at least in Vienna. And Vienna is not the cheapest country that I have been, so I assume that it's even more cheaper, for example, in Warsaw, maybe. I don't know, but I would assume that. Today's vlogging will be like, I think that we are like done for the day, and some other day some new adventures coming at you.